In today's video, I will show you how to use Fooocus to change clothes in your images in different ways, and give you some tips to get better results. Let's get started. In the first step, I have this image, and I want to change her clothes with text prompt. Active input image. Click on the In Paint or Out Paint tab. Here, drag the image you want to change its clothes. When you use the In Paint section, you need to use the brush and mask the area you want to change. Hold the Shift key and use the scroll wheel to zoom in or out on your image, and mask the clothes based on what you want to change. Press R on your keyboard to reset the zoom of your image. For this, we use the Modify Content method. Here, you should describe what you want to add instead of the mask part, and we don't need to write text prompt in the above box. Change the settings according to your needs. I use Fooocus V2 and Fooocus photograph styles. If you want to use the style, it's optional, but don't use the anime style for real images. I don't use Laura. It's optional, and you can use Laura based on your image. Select the aspect ratio based on your source image. Once you have a full body image, it's important to choose the right aspect ratio to see the full body in the results. Create more images to choose different results, and choose the best one. You can use this method when you don't have any image of the clothes. You can change all the clothes or just a piece of it. I have this image, and I want to use these clothes for it. You should have one clothes in your image, not multiple clothes. Also, it's better to remove the background so that it does not affect the source image. To remove the background, you can use remove.bg website. Drag your image here, and download the result. Click the Image Prompt tab. Here, upload the image you want to use its clothes. You can use images of clothes without someone wearing them. Click Advanced to see more settings. We use image prompt, increase stop at, and wait options. For me, more than 0.84 and less than 1 get better results. Click on the In Paint or Out Paint tab. Here, drag the image you want to change its clothes. Mask the clothes. Note that you should do this based on the new clothes you want to use. You must use the In Paint or Out Paint method. Then click on the Advanced tab. Click on Developer Debug Mode. Click on the Control tab. We use image prompt and In Paint or Out Paint. So, active mixing image prompt and In Paint item. Change the settings according to your needs. You can change performance to quality to get the image with better quality. I use speed to get results faster. Don't forget to use the right aspect ratio. We use source image and clothes image and don't need text prompt. When you use clothes that a person is wearing, another part of the image like skin tone, hat, handbag, or other items may be added to your new images. So, you can just use clothes image like this and remove the background. I select an image and want to edit it. Drag the image to In Paint section. Clear the mask. First, I mask this extra part to remove it. To remove a part of your image, you must use the In Paint or Out Paint method. Write prompt based on what you want to see in this part. Drag the result. I want to remove the handbag. Mask it. Remove the image from the image prompt so it doesn't affect the result. When I edit the image, I don't use styles. Maybe the style adds unwanted things to the image. Uncheck the Mixing Image Prompt and In Paint. Use the default method. Write prompt. Drag the image and edit the hands. In this video, I showed you how to do it in different ways. Ask your questions in the comment and share your experience with us. Thanks for watching.